Welcome to the checkout guide. Today I will show how to create gift card in Shopify, including gift card as a product and gift card as a discount code. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe, like, share, comment and press the bell icon. Let's get started. First I go to the Shopify admin dashboard, then click on products, then select gift card and click on add gift card product. Here we can give a title. We can give a description. Denomination. Now I set the gift card value as 25, 50, 100. Here we can upload the image. Image has been added. Now save the changes. Now I will show how to create a gift card as a discount code. Go to discount. Then click on create discount. Here we can give the discount code as welcome 20. Discount value as a percentage, 20%. Maximum discount users limit to 1 use per customer. We have to set the expiry date. I'm setting for 30 days. That's it. See the changes. So this is how we create gift card as a product and discount code in Shopify. So if you like this video, please subscribe, like, share, comment and press the bell icon. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.